Welcome back. در بخش سومی حرف اضافه خوش آمدید. اگر میخواین که شما درباره اگر میخواین که شما بیشتر درباره حرف اضافه بفهمید، لطفاً پارت اول پارت دوم حرف اضافه را هم تماشا کنید. If you want to learn more about the prepositions, please watch the first and second part of the preposition in my previous video. So we do not use at, on, in before the last, next or this or every. یادتان باشه که شما نمیتونید استفاده کنید in, on و at قبل از last, next, this و every و نمیتونید استفاده کنید. اوکی؟ مثلا مثال I will see you next Friday. ما نمیتونیم بگیم که I will see you on next Friday or in next Friday or at next Friday. Okay? So and for example they got married last June. ما نمیتونیم بگیم که they got married on last June. Okay? بخاطر که ما گفتیم قبل براتون گفتم که ما استفاده نمیتونیم این on قبل از last, next, this or every. Okay? And we often leave out on before the days, like so you can say like this. Okay? I will see you on Friday. I will see you Friday. Understand? بعض وقتا ما on it استفاده نمیکنیم، ما از جمله خود به طرف میکنیم. مثلا میتونیم بگیم که I will see you on Friday. ما با جایی که بگیم on Friday میگیم که I will see you Friday. Okay? I don't work on Monday mornings, so you don't work Monday mornings. Okay, got it? Hope you got it. So we say that something will happen in a few minutes or in 6 months. ما این چه وقت استفاده میکنیم؟ قبل از few seconds or in a 6 months, etc. مثلا the train will be leaving in a few minutes. In a few minutes. ما این قبل از few minutes استفاده کنیم. A few minutes from now, okay? And Andy has gone away. He will be back in a week. Didn't wasn't in قبل از a week استفاده کنیم. They will be here in a moment. A moment, in a moment, ما این قبل از a moment هم استفاده کرده میتونیم. We also use in to say that how long it takes to do something. ما همچنان این استفاده میکنیم تا بگوییم که یک چیز چقدر وقت میگیره، یک عمل، یک چیزی که باشد چقدر وقت میگیره. We also use in to say how long it takes to do something. Okay? For example, I learned to drive in 4 weeks. این قبل از 4 weeks استفاده کردم. یعنی ما مترانی در 4 هفته یاد گرفتم. I learned to drive in 4 weeks. It means چی معنی؟ It means it took me 4 weeks to learn. به این معنی گفت که مرا 4 هفته وقت گرفت تا من اینو یاد بگیرم. Okay. یک جهان سپاس. Thank you very much. It was the third part of the video. It was the third part of the proposition. این قسمت سوم حرف اضافه بود. I hope you learned something and enjoyed from the lesson. امیدوارم که از درس لذت برده باشین. If you want me to teach you more about the prepositions, please follow my next video. Okay? Thank you so much. Wish you all the best.